Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Fuzi Fauziah, and today I would like to tell you about drug interaction. A drug interaction is a reaction between two or more drugs or between a drug and a food, beverage, or supplement. Taking a drug while having certain medical conditions can also cause a drug interaction. For example, taking a nasal decongestant if you have high blood pressure may cause an unwanted reaction. A drug interaction can affect how a drug works or cause unwanted side effects. Drug interactions may make your drug less effective, cause unexpected side effects, or increase the action of a particular drug. Some drug interactions can even be harmful to you. Reading the label every time you use a non-prescription or prescription drug and taking the time to learn about drug interactions may be critical to your health. You can reduce the risk of potentially harmful drug interaction and side effects with a little bit of knowledge and common sense. Drug interactions fall into three broad categories. Number one is drug-drug interaction. Drug-drug interactions occur when two or more drugs react with each other. These drug-drug interactions may cause you to experience an unexpected side effect. For example, mixing a drug you take to help you sleep or a sedative and a drug you take for allergies, an antihistamine, can slow your reactions and make driving a car or operating machinery dangerous. Number two is drug food or beverage interactions. Drug food or beverage interactions result from drugs reacting with foods or beverage. For example, mixing alcohol with some drugs may cause you to feel tired or slow your reaction. And number three is drug condition interactions. Drug condition interactions may occur when an existing medical condition makes certain drugs potentially harmful. For example, if you have high blood pressure, you could experience an unwanted reaction if you take a nasal decongestant. Next is about drug interactions and over-the-counter medicines. Over-the-counter or OTC drug labels contain information about ingredients, uses, warnings, and directions that is important to read and understand. The label also includes important information about possible drug interactions. Further, drug labels may change as new information becomes known. That's why it's especially important to read the label every time you use a drug. The active ingredients and purpose sections list the name and amount of each active ingredient and the purpose of each active ingredient. The uses section of the label is for tells you what the drug is used for and helps you find the best drug for your specific symptoms. The warning section of the label provides important drug interaction and precaution information such as when to talk to a doctor or pharmacist before use, the medical conditions that may make the drug less effective or not safe, under what circumstance the drug should not be used, and when to stop taking the drug. The directions section of the label tells you the length of time and the amount of the product that you may safely use, and any special instructions on how to use the product. The other information section of the label tells you required information about certain ingredients such as sodium content for people with dietary restrictions or allergies. The inactive ingredients section of the label tells you the name of each inactive ingredient, such as colorings, binders, etc. The questions or comments section of the label, if included, is provides telephone numbers of a search to answer questions about the product. Drug interactions involve pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. In pharmacodynamic interactions, one drug alters the sensitivity or responsiveness of tissues to another drug by having the same agonistic or a blocking antagonistic effect. These effects usually occur at the receptor level but may occur intracellularly. In pharmacokinetic interactions, a drug usually alters absorption, distribution, protein binding, metabolism, or extraction of another drug. Thus, the amount and persistence of available drug at receptor sites change. Pharmacokinetic interactions alter magnitude and duration, not type of effect. They are often predicted based on knowledge of the individual drugs or detected by monitoring drug concentration or clinical signs. So that's all for me. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.